If you've spent any time reading about longevity, healthy aging, or anti-aging supplements, you've probably come across three letters that seem to be everywhere lately: NMN. Some people call it one of the most exciting developments in longevity science. Others claim it can boost energy, improve metabolism, support brain function, and even slow certain aspects of aging. As a result, NMN has become one of the most talked about supplements in the world of healthy aging. But what exactly is it? And more importantly, does the science actually support the hype? Today, we're going to explore what NMN is, how it works inside the body, what researchers have discovered so far, and whether it's something adults over 60 should pay attention to. Let's take a closer look. 1. What exactly is NMN? NMN stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide. Now, that name sounds complicated, but the basic idea is actually quite simple. NMN is a naturally occurring molecule found in small amounts in various foods and in the human body itself. It serves as a building block for another important molecule called NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. You don't need to memorize that name. What's important is understanding that NAD+ plays a critical role in how your cells produce energy and maintain normal function. Every cell in your body relies on NAD+ to perform essential tasks. Your muscles need it, your brain needs it, your heart needs it. In many ways, NAD+ helps keep your cellular machinery running smoothly. And that's where the aging connection begins.
2. Why scientists became interested in NMN. One of the most interesting discoveries in aging research is that NAD+ levels tend to decline as we get older. Researchers have observed that this decline may be associated with several age-related changes: lower cellular energy production, reduced metabolic efficiency, changes in DNA repair mechanisms, increased vulnerability to stress at the cellular level. Scientists began asking an important question. If declining NAD contributes to some aspects of aging, could increasing NAD+ levels help support healthier aging? That's where NMN entered the conversation. Because NMN is a precursor to NAD+, researchers wanted to know whether supplementing with NMN might help increase NAD+ levels within the body. This possibility has fueled enormous interest in longevity research over the past decade. 3. How NMN works inside the body. Think of NMN as a raw material. When you consume NMN, your body can convert it into NAD+ through a series of biological processes. Once NAD+ levels increase, cells may have greater support for producing energy and carrying out various maintenance functions. One area that has attracted particular attention involves structures called mitochondria. Mitochondria are often referred to
as the power plants of the cell because they generate much of the energy your body uses every day. As we age, mitochondrial function may become less efficient. Some researchers believe maintaining healthy NAD+ levels could help support mitochondrial performance. In theory, this could contribute to healthier aging. But it's important to remember that biology is rarely simple. Increasing NAD+ is only one piece of a much larger puzzle. 4. What has the research found so far? This is where things become especially interesting, and where we need to separate excitement from evidence. Much of the early enthusiasm surrounding NMN comes from animal studies. In laboratory experiments, researchers observed several potential benefits associated with boosting NAD+ levels. These included improvements in metabolism, physical activity, insulin sensitivity, and certain markers related to aging. The results generated significant excitement within the scientific community. However, animal studies don't always translate directly to humans. What works in mice doesn't automatically work the same way in people. That's why human research is so important. In recent years, a growing number of human studies have examined NMN supplementation. Some research suggests that NMN may increase NAD+ levels in humans and may positively influence certain aspects of metabolic health and physical performance. However, many studies remain relatively small, and scientists are still working to determine the full extent of NMN's benefits and limitations. In other words, the research is promising, but it is not yet definitive. 5. Can NMN increase energy levels? One of the most common reasons people become interested in NMN is the possibility of increased energy. As we age, many adults notice declining energy levels. Activities that once felt effortless may require more effort. Because NAD+ plays a key role in cellular energy production, some researchers believe NMN may help support energy metabolism. Some users report feeling more energetic after taking NMN. However, responses vary considerably between individuals. It's important to remember that energy levels are influenced by many factors, including sleep quality, physical activity, nutrition, stress, medications, and overall health. No supplement can replace these fundamentals. Still, the relationship between NMN, NAD+, and cellular energy remains one of the most actively studied areas of longevity science.
6. What about brain health? Another area generating significant interest involves cognitive function. The brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in the body. Maintaining healthy brain function requires enormous amounts of cellular energy. Researchers are investigating whether supporting NAD+ levels may help protect certain aspects of brain health during aging. While animal studies have produced intriguing results, human evidence remains limited. At this stage, there is not enough evidence to conclude that NMN prevents dementia, Alzheimer's disease, or other neurodegenerative conditions. However, scientists continue to study the connection between NAD+, brain function, and healthy aging. It's a field worth watching in the years ahead. 7. Is NMN the secret to longevity? This is probably the biggest question of all. Can NMN actually help people live longer? The honest answer is that nobody knows yet. There is currently no strong human evidence proving that NMN extends lifespan. What researchers are studying instead is whether NMN may support aspects of health that influence how we age. This distinction is important. Living longer and aging better are not necessarily the same thing. The ultimate goal of longevity science isn't simply adding years to life. It's adding healthy years to life. Researchers are interested in whether interventions like NMN can help people remain healthier, stronger, and more independent as they age. But we're still learning. 8. Is NMN safe? Safety is one of the most important considerations for any supplement. So far, short-term human studies have generally found NMN to be well tolerated. Many participants report few significant side effects. However, NMN remains a relatively new supplement compared to things like vitamin D or omega-3 fatty acids. As a result, researchers still need more long-term data. Questions remain about optimal dosing, long-term safety, and which individuals may benefit most. The science is promising. The excitement is understandable, but many questions remain unanswered. At this point, NMN should be viewed as an intriguing area of research rather than a proven anti-aging miracle. As scientists continue exploring its potential, we'll gain a clearer picture of what NMN can and cannot do. For now, it's best understood as one of the most interesting developments in the rapidly growing field of longevity science. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you heard of NMN before, and would you consider trying it? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed healthy aging tips designed to help you stay strong, healthy, and independent after 60. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.